It's my birthday today. So comment below happy birthday or I'll kill myself.
I got scared. I dropped my Hot Pocket. Hot Pocket!
Carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire.
Welcome
When I'm on the internet, I'm watching through and through.
Oh, that's tasty.
Ooh, I'm on vacay, baby.
That tastes like, to me it tastes like the juice at the bottom of Freeze Pops.
Oh.
You know, the tubes.
That's such a good analogy.
That's so good.
That is what it is. What are we drinking?
Today we've got Cape Line Sparkling Cocktails, and this is their blackberry mojito flavor.
I have never in my life turned down a blackberry mojito because it's never been offered one.
Oh, that makes sense.
But
I also have lived that life. The life you just described is one I've lived as well.
Yes.
What do you like to drink?
I'm a fiend for mojitos.
6 simple ingredients, nothing artificial, gluten-free, 4.5%. Right about the same as a Bud Light.
Wow.
Which we enjoy.
Yep.
I'm a classy boy.
Bro, don't say you're classy when you're pouring it into an old jelly jar.
I spent too much money on these mason jars at a Target. It's officially Friday. Because Sean's all hopped up. Hot Pockets reached out to us and sent a bunch of different Hot Pocket varieties to us. Today, 4 cheese pizza.
Ooh.
This has got Parmesan cheddar and reduced fat, provolone and mozzarella cheeses, and a garlic buttery crust, 10 grams of protein, and only 280 calories.
Wow.
As you saw on the old thumbnail and title of this video, we decided to do air fryer versus microwave. So we'll go ahead and try it. I think we're more commonly used to these on the show in the air fryer, so maybe we start with microwave. Hot Pockets, 4 cheese pizza, microwave. Cheers.
Cheers.
There's a real rubberiness to it.
Wow.
Out of the microwave. This is why I do them in the air fryer.
These guys had out of the kindness of our hearts, sent us these Hot Pockets.
Absolutely.
For free.
Yeah.
And the first thing that comes out of your
Rubbery
mouth,
bread.
Oh my God, dude. I love Hot Pockets.
I do too. That's why I cook them in the
I'm
air
gonna have
fryer.
to re-message them and send them my address. You got 6 or 7 of them. I'm about to get 50 of them because I'm gonna say nice things. Oh man, it's good. It is delicious.
One of the things the social media manager said was that they were so impressed with how crispy we made them look.
Rubber.
How good we made them look. And it's because I know how to cook these in an air fryer.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. It's a better product in the air fryer. That's good though.
I'm gonna try the air fryer version. Oh yeah, that's better.
Yeah. It's just, the crust is so much crispier.
I mean, it's no secret though. I've had it before, I'll say it again. The entirety of my military career was fueled on Hot Pockets.
Yeah.
Always out of the microwave and never bad.
Yeah.
And I never was, never tasted like I was eating the bottom of a shoe.
To Hot Pockets admin team, you're a hard 1 seed. I'm barely the play-in game. I just made fun of how they come out of a microwave.
First words out of his mouth.
Negative.
Rubbery.
But I will eat these all day out of an air fryer.
That's like when Kudoba wanted us to do the nachos, and I just trashed them. I just trashed them the entire time.
Mine looks a little different than yours.
Yours looks beautiful.
Yours does too.
I wish that the tortilla chips didn't get so soggy. We only had this for a few minutes. Look how soggy that is. I'm gonna give it a 2.4.
Yeah, that was funny. And I was like, how come you guys didn't share it? And you're like, dude, what? Did you see what I said?
I've had better nachos. This is good, but I've had better.
But hey, at least they know we're always honest.
I was so excited. Instacart dropped off these and I immediately texted you. I was like, dude, we just hit the mother load. It's very delicious. I'm a big fan of the 4 cheese pizza. That's a good
really
flavor combo. And the garlic buttery crust, that's the type of crust I love on a pizza.
1 cheese, that's okay. 2 cheese, all right, we're getting there. 3 cheese, I'm excited. 4 cheese, boom. Daddy just sprouted one in the pants.
You have a massive erection.
Really? Yes,
I do.
Dude, and this is really good with a mojito.
Yeah, oh, also I've been working out a lot, and these have 10 grams of protein, so I think this probably just made me stronger. Ow, bro, ow! Dude, what are you doing? Stop! Stop!
Yeah, you're jacked, dude.
I keep losing bone density.
Oops.
You didn't sound sincere in your oops right there.
Oops. Hot Pockets. Do a sixer version. It comes with a little baby packet. And also only has air fryer instructions on the box. Sixer sauce, really good.
That's so good.
All right, before we thumbs up or thumbs down the 4 Cheese Pizza Hot Pocket on this Friday, let's do a shout out.
Yeah, blog shout out, blog shout out, blog shout out. Oh boy, do we got some fun content for you losers. Essentially covering different things around Chicago, different things with Sean and I's lives, and yeah, we just have a good time with it. Here's a clip from our most recent one where we found our top 5 favorite coffee spots in the city.
So hot mocha for you. I got the Black Magic, the iced.
So tasty.
All right, so I got hooked up today. Got to go in the roastery.
Thank you, Manny, the man.
See how the donuts are made, if you will. So that was really cool. I mean, walking in here, like Dark Matter, if you come to Chicago, like we said, for a cup of coffee or for a festival or for an event, you'll probably see Dark Matter.
Once we start building it up, people who come in town who always are like, oh, what should I eat?
Yeah.
I'm hoping that soon they're like, oh, what should I do? And then they can just look at our vlog channel and find all the cool stuff to do in Chicago. So if you're interested in stuff like that or just regular events and things behind the scenes of our lives, check out that, Corey and Sean. And if you can just type it into your World Wide Web browser as www.youtube.com/Corey and Sean, then you'll find us.
We're like a digital encyclopedia of Chicago. Do you remember Encarta?
Let there be justice for all.
Great for homework.
That
I was
sounds cool.
a big homework guy.
I can tell.
Eric McCluskey, drum roll, please.
Oh, let's do.
It's which one's better?
Stop the drum roll.
Air or Mike.
That worked.
Okay.
Which also is combined is the king of basketball.
Air Jordan. Air Mike.
We don't have that much time in a day.
3, 2, 1, air!
Dude, give it up for Mr. AF, dude. Check him out, he's right there. He's chilling off camera, he's a producer. Dude, you know how it is. We've talked about this on the show. David Black, fan of the show from Toledo, first sent us one of these. We got hooked. Then an air fryer company reached out. We did a video, they sent Corey an air fryer. So now we both have air fryers.
So yours is people ask, this is a Sakura?
Yeah, Sakura.
Sakura?
Sakura. This one's only like, my dad bought this one, my mom bought this one. I think it's like 75, 80 bucks. Here's the Amazon. You're seeing it right now. I'll link it below this video so that you guys can click on it and buy it if you'd like to. It's really sick. I use it for literally half my food. So yeah, check it out. Air fryers are dope. And Hot Pockets, thank you so much for sending those. Don't cook them in a microwave. I don't care. Don't do it. I don't care. Don't give me a brand deal. I'm gonna be true to my air fryer, dude.
Tastes like rubber bands, like a pile of rubber bands.
And it was at that moment Sean couldn't pay his rent.
Help me, I'm poor.
Cape Line. Great job with the cocktail.
This is really good.
I'm about to slam this.
Yeah, dude.
Happy Friday, guys. Sorry you have to put up with me. Sure. I'll have a drink.